Let me tell you a truth most men never hear. Women don't chase men because of looks, money, or smooth pickup lines. They chase men because of how those men make them feel. And here's the crazy part. Most guys have no idea how to do that. They try too hard, they overthink, they force it, and they end up repelling the very women they are trying to attract. But there's a different way, a quieter way. If you do these 5 things, not once, not as a trick, but as a way of life, women won't just like you, they will chase you. And if you think that sounds impossible, stay with me, because by the time we are done, you understand exactly why most men fail at this and how you can do it without trying so hard. Let's get right into it. So the first thing for you to do is you are unmoved by their beauty. Don't be moved by a woman's beauty. The first thing, you don't worship beauty. Most men crumble the moment they are around an attractive woman. They overpraise, they get nervous, they act like her looks make her a goddess. And guess what? She's used to that. She gets that from every guy she meets. But you are different. You see her beauty, but you don't pedestalize it. You don't act like she's doing you a favor by talking to you. Why? Because you've seen beauty before. You've been around it. You know looks aren't everything. This does something powerful. It flips the script. Instead of you chasing her, she starts wondering, why isn't he melting like everyone else? Why does he seem, grounded? That's where attraction begins. When she feels like she's been seen for more than just, her face, but also realizes she hasn't fully figured you out yet, she becomes attracted to you. The second thing is you have a life that excites you. Your life is already full. This one is huge. Your life is already full. Most men make women their mission. They wake up, go through their motions, and secretly hope a relationship will make them feel alive. Women can sense that emptiness and it turns them off instantly. But when you have a life that excites you, when you're building something, pursuing your passions, moving with purpose, that energy is contagious. She doesn't want to be your whole world. She wants to be a part of a world that already has meaning. When you have a mission, you become magnetic because you're no longer coming from a place of need. You're coming from a place of abundance. And nothing draws people in, especially women, like a man who has something bigger than her to live for. He draws people in, he draws women in. So the third thing is you show restraint. You show restraint that you don't give everything away at once. You don't. Now think about it. Most guys unload their entire personality in the first conversation. They overshare, they text constantly, they try to prove they are interesting. But you don't rush. You reveal yourself slowly. You leave space for curiosity, not because you're playing games, but because you are not desperate for instant validation. And here's the key. Attraction grows in mystery. When she doesn't know everything about you right away, her mind fills in the gaps. She starts wondering, who are you? What you are about? What makes you tick? That's what makes her lean in. That's what makes her chase. Restraint isn't about withholding on purpose. It's about being comfortable with silence, with space, with letting her come closer instead of you smothering her. That's restraint. So the fourth thing is you hold your boundaries. You hold your boundaries. You don't bend just to, keep her. You don't. This one separates, the men women chase from the men women use. When she tests you, and yes, she will test you, you don't break. She cancels last minute. You don't explode. But you also don't beg for a reschedule. She pushes your boundaries. You calmly hold the line. She tries to pull you into drama. You don't play. This tells her one thing, that you are unshakable. You are not a man who sells himself out for attention. You are not desperate for approval. And here's the secret. Boundaries don't push women away. They pull them closer. Because deep down, every woman respects a man who respects himself. Every woman respects a man who respects himself. So the fifth thing is you make her feel something different. You make her feel an emotion she doesn't feel with any other man. Most guys are predictable. Compliments, small talk, maybe a few jokes, and that's it. But you bring a different energy. You challenge her playfully. You tease without malice. You make her laugh in a way that, feels genuine, not forced. You don't just give her attention. You give her an experience. That's what sticks. That's what makes her replay conversations with you in her head. Attraction isn't logical. It's emotional. If you can make her feel something new, she won't just like you. She will crave more of you. Now, here's the truth. Women don't chase men who try to, win them. They chase men who make them feel something rare. Men who aren't shaken by beauty. Men who live full, exciting lives. Men who show restraint and mystery. Men who hold their boundaries. Men who spark emotions they can't find anywhere else. Do these 5 things, not as tricks, but as part of who you are. And you will never have to wonder if women like you. You will know. Because this time, they will be the ones chasing you, and not the other way around. Thank you. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And do it to subscribe, share this video as well, so that more people get to see it. See you next time.